So there is another update that Capgemini already started their Brand Quest program for 2026, and this is nothing but a one type of quiz program, you can say. So if you go through this particular link, here you can find Capgemini Brand Quest launch video, why you should participate in this particular quiz program. So there are lots of things is already available in the particular website, and 5 reasons to play the quiz. There is some prize money. Top 10 finalists will receive hospitality experience voucher from pool on an average 2 lakhs. So one of our students get the opportunity to visit their office, and that is a wonderful experience in Pune. So there are lots of opportunity are there. So I would suggest all the students must complete the registration process for this quiz contest. And it's not like the technical quiz; it's mainly the how you know about the Capgemini. So for that case, you can follow their groups and their multiple social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And there are multiple type of labels are there, and the registration process will start from 30. The last date is basically 31st August 2026, but I believe that it will be extended later on. In label 1, there will be some 20 MCQ based questions. Each question has a 10 marks and total 20 marks. And the label 1 will be started from 9th September to 5th September. Then the students who will clear basically the top 20% students from each college, they will jump to the level 2. Again, there is a two part, like part 1 and part A and part B. The schedule time is basically 29 to 30. So all the details is available, and again from the level to 20% student from the each college will be qualified for the next round. There is a 20 MCQ questions. Each question has 5 marks. Total mark score is basically 100, and duration is 30 minutes. So if you have a internet, then definitely you can attend this particular quiz program. It's not like you have to come to your college and you have to attempt the quiz. It's not like that. In the same way, there are some prize money. If I just scroll down, yes, this is the prize money. You can this is the timeline: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and final part is basically grand finale that will be on December 10th and 11th at their Pune office. There is some prize money like winner 1 1 lakh, and the first runner up 50,000, 25,000 for the second runner up, and for the seven different finalists, they will everyone get 10,000, and lots of opportunity will be there. And for that case, from each and every colleges, they suggested to student ambassador to run this particular quiz contest. Now the question is how we can complete the registration process. So for that case, if you have not yet completed, have not yet created your superset account, then you have to click on sign up. But if you have a already ID in superset, so definitely you have to click on login. But in my case, I am supposed to take the example of sign up. So you have to just click on the sign up option. Now this type of interface will be open, and among this particular student, the picture is available in the background. So one of our student is also selected, and they also visited the Pune office. This picture is also available. This is a proud moment for us as well. Now if I just click on the register now button, here you have to enter your email ID and then just click on next. So now you can find that this is the fresh mail ID that is not yet used. So that's why it's written as a please click register and apply below. But if you already created the superset ID, definitely it will show that existing ID is available. So if I just use my previous mail that I have already used, and immediately you can find existing account is detected. So based on your case, you have to enter the details. But yes, I will first create the registration part. Yes, if you are pursuing some degree, so definitely you have to select this first option. You have to select the field of study, your program, and your department, BTech start date, end date, passing out year, your institution roll number, each and every detail like your percentage. And then if I go to the next part, like your previous educations, like class 12 details, again you have to enter your class 12 details. This is the basic information, your class 10 details. Then again save and next. Yes, here you have to enter, provide your photo, and then just click on save and proceed. Then you will get that you successfully complete the registration part. This is a simple process.